Wall Street this morning, and when we checked in earlier today, things looked a little bit more optimistic pre-market, but now all three major indices are down after some big news from the White House. The U.S. and China hitting a pause button on a major trade deadline, which gives them now 90 more days to strike a deal. Until then, the current tariffs would stay put, but this still could bring some changes to your shopping cart.
They've been dealing quite nicely. The relationship is very good with President Xi and myself.
The U.S. and China pushing back today's self-imposed deadline for reaching a trade deal. They say current tariff amounts can remain in place another 90 days as negotiations continue. An executive order issued by President Donald Trump last night keeps the U.S. rate for Chinese imports at 30%. That's opposed to letting it rise to 54% as specified in a previous order. China confirming its duties on U.S. imports will stay at 10% instead of climbing to 34%.
With the tariffs going up and down, our prices go up and down.
Many U.S. businesses say tariffs on Chinese goods apply to many products they sell to customers. That's because China is America's second largest source of imports.
At the end of the day, there's only a couple things that can happen. Either the companies make less money or the prices go up for the consumers. And we all know what companies are going to choose.
Meanwhile, President Trump says he's allowing the Chinese to buy certain American-made semiconductor chips. He says the U.S. government will get 15% of related revenue.
Taxing a specific company to have the right granted by the government to ship product to a specific country. That, for lack of better words, is a little funky chicken. But at the same time, it's a form of tariffs.
Now, President Trump argues that people in other countries pay U.S. tariffs, but experts say that's only true if they are both the exporters and the importers, like when a foreign company would ship directly to consumers. For the most part, U.S. businesses pay those tariffs on imports.